or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a very good product in my hand which I tested out. It is working so well and it is a must have for summer. And that is the Wow Skin Science Sunscreen, which is matte finish. Oily skin girls, I know your problem. Whenever I apply sunscreen, my oily skin becomes even more oilier, even more greasier, and it feels heavy on my skin. So I do not like applying sunscreen at all, and this is the one that I found very comfortable on my skin as well as before makeup. I did apply this sunscreen before my makeup I did today. This is doing good, and the main important thing is that this is a matte finish, guys. Oily skin girls, this is your savior. It is a lightweight formula that is non-greasy and you don't have to worry about whitish and chalky skin. Non-streaky and non-chalky texture that does not weigh down your skin, doesn't feel heavy at all. It spreads evenly and dries quickly without clogging pores to form a transparent film that sheathes your skin. And most importantly, it gives a matte finish. So let me talk you through about the product. So this is the Wow Skin Science Daily Broad Spectrum UVA and UVB protection. This has SPF of 35. I've never used a sunscreen which has SPF of 35 in it. So this is the highest SPF that I've used so far. So many people are confused of what is SPF. SPF is sun protection factor. What does it mean? It means the longevity of the product. Higher the SPF, the higher the longevity of the product will be. How long the sunscreen can protect you from the sun without burning. This Wow Skin Science sunscreen has quite higher SPF and is perfect for swimming and when you have to spend long hours outdoors under the sun. So, and this has natural sun blockers in them, which has a raspberry extract, carrot seed extract, avocado oil. And as usual, Wow products are free from parabens, silicons, mineral oil, oxide color and all of those harmful chemicals. It is dermatologically tested and it is also made in India. And most importantly, this is matte finish, guys. This sunscreen is matte finish and it is not making my face look chalky or whitish. And this is so good for dusky skin tone as well, because this is not going to make you look whitish and chalky. And also this is so good for oily skin because this gives you that perfect matte finish in the summer sun. This is something I think this is a must buy for all girls during summer. So this sunscreen has a PA rating of ++. What does PA rating mean? PA is a rating system which means it gives you protection from the UVA rays. SPF gives you protection from the UVB rays. So which means the two harmful rays that comes from the sun are UVA and UVB, which damages the skin. So SPF gives you protection from UVB rays and PA rating gives you protection from the UVA rays. So this has a PA++, which means it gives you moderate skin protection from the sun. Whenever I buy sunscreen, I look out for ingredients like titanium dioxide. As soon as it reached to me, I checked the ingredient and it has the titanium dioxide in it, and surprisingly it also has other natural ingredients added to it. It has a raspberry extracts which prevent and repair the damages that is done by the sun. It has carrot seed extracts which reduces the sign of aging. If you do not use sunscreen regularly and you do spend a lot of time under the sun, you have more chances of getting the aging symptoms like fine lines and wrinkles. Do use the sunscreen regularly. This has carrot seed extracts in it which prevents you from those fine lines. It also has avocado oil and vitamin E. This is a combination of both natural ingredients combined with titanium dioxide. It has high concentration of natural actives and it is pH balanced. So before using this, do a patch test because all of these ingredients are plant-derived ingredients. So do a patch test before you use it. So let me come to the packaging of the product. This comes in the standard Wow Skin Science packaging, the brown bottle kind of a packaging. This has a pump dispenser which is so good for a sunscreen. This is not going to leak on your bag or this is not going to create a mess because this has the perfect locking system. Let me read you the directions for use. Apply sunscreen liberally at least 15 to 20 minutes before stepping out in the sun. This is so very important, guys. I've seen my friends using sunscreen just before going, like 2 minutes before going out in the sun. I'll tell them, just wait at home for 15 to 20 minutes and then come out. So this is what it exactly says. So apply the sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before going out and avoid contact with eyes. Reapply every 2 hours if you are outdoors. If you are continuously spending time under the sun, you need to reapply the sunscreen every 2 hours. This is not only for this sunscreen, this is for every sunscreen. Repeat application every 30 to 40 minutes if you are swimming. If you are swimming, summer is here, we all want to go to the pool, and if you are swimming, make sure you apply this sunscreen every 30 to 40 minutes. So which means this is also water resistant. This absorbed very quickly, guys. Whenever I use a sunscreen, I have to like liberally massage it really well. Only then it will get absorbed into my oily skin. But this one got absorbed into my oily skin very quickly without clogging my pores, and it's also pH balanced. This has a creamy texture just like your lotion or your body butter, but I would say this is not very thick cream. This is a very lightweight cream which will not make your skin look whitish and chalky. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this sunscreen, and this is one of the best recommendation for summers. And this is the Skin Science Daily Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Matte Finish with SPF 35 PA++. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.